everybody. Welcome to this series on basic financial literacy webinars, where we discuss everything related to our day-to-day finances and thus enable each and every one of us to make better and informed decisions and achieve the ultimate goal of financial freedom. I know there are a ton of videos out there which tells you what to do in order to gain financial freedom. But I believe that there is no one size fits all solution. I believe that everyone's situation is different and that they are the best person to make the correct financial decision that suits their situation. So, this series of educational videos seeks out to do just that, empower people to make the best decisions for themselves once they get to know the basic concepts. Let's talk a little bit about financial literacy and why is it important. Financial education plays a crucial role in empowering individuals to make informed and effective decisions regarding their money. Here are several key reasons highlighting the importance of financial education. With financial education, individuals can make well-informed, smart decisions about budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. This leads to improved financial well-being and stability. Crisis preparedness. Individuals who are financially literate are better prepared to navigate financial crises such as unexpected job losses, health emergencies, or economic downturns. They can adapt their financial strategies to challenging circumstances. Understanding retirement options, pension plans, and long-term savings is crucial for securing a comfortable retirement. Financial education provides the tools for effective retirement planning. Financial education also encourages individuals to think about their long-term financial goals. It provides the tools to create realistic plans for major life events like buying a home, funding education, or preparing for retirement. Financially educated individuals can positively impact their families and communities by sharing their knowledge. This creates a ripple effect, fostering financial well-being on a broader scale. Understanding the implications of borrowing, interest rates, and debt management strategies is crucial. Financial education equips individuals with the knowledge to avoid excessive debt and manage existing debts effectively. Financial markets can be complex, but with education, individuals can grasp investment principles, risk management, and the potential returns associated with different investment options. Economic stability. A financially literate population contributes to overall economic stability. Informed consumers make better financial decisions, leading to healthier economic conditions on both the individual and societal levels. Entrepreneurship. Financial education nurtures an entrepreneurial spirit by providing insights into managing business finances, understanding market dynamics, and making strategic investment decisions. This fosters wealth creation and economic growth. Financial education helps individuals assess and manage risks effectively. This includes understanding insurance products, emergency funds, and risk mitigation strategies. Financial education enlightens individuals about their rights and responsibilities as consumers. This knowledge is essential for making wise choices when dealing with financial institutions, products, and services. So you see, in essence, financial education is not just about numbers. It is about empowering individuals to take control of their financial destinies, make informed decisions, and build a secure and prosperous future. It's an investment in personal empowerment and societal resilience. In today's ever-evolving financial landscape, ensuring your financial security and realizing your dreams demand not only sound advice but also a holistic approach. Our webinar series is designed to empower you with knowledge and strategies in these vital areas. Life insurance for peace of mind. Learn how life insurance can safeguard your family's future and provide stability in uncertain times. Building wealth through smart investments. Discover the secrets to intelligent investment choices and the power of compound interest. Securing your retirement. Chart a path to a fulfilling retirement with personalized strategies that work for you. Navigating the 529 college savings plans. Plan your child's education with confidence, making higher education dreams attainable. Preserving your legacy through estate planning. Protect your assets, minimize tax liabilities, and ensure a smooth transfer of wealth to the next generation. Will and trust demystified. Gain clarity on the importance of will and trusts in securing your family's financial future and your legacy. You can reach us on any of the following channels, and we would be delighted to help you regarding any of the above discussed solutions. To recap, we would love to help you by providing customized solutions in the following areas: insurance, investment planning, including 401k annuities, kids' college planning, retirement planning, estate planning, and setting up your will and trust. So, do join me on this journey of financial literacy, and I promise it would be worth it.